This is a review of the Roadside Assistance Emergency Kit that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys everything that comes in this package. So one of the first things I want to mention about this particular car emergency kit is that the design and the layout looks very absolutely amazing. I love how this silver part, when you turn the lights off, then it's like a camouflage, meaning that it's reflective. So that's one of the cool things I love about it. Like, so if there's like flashlight or light, this thing will light up just like that. It'll look really cool at night. Another thing I love about it is that the package looks very phenomenal. The orange looks really amazing. It has a handle, so right over here, you can pretty much carry this around with you, and you can move it around everywhere. It's portable. You put in your trunk of your car. You can pretty much put it in your home. You can pretty much put it, everywhere, or carry it around with you. So that's one of the things I like. But yeah, now we're gonna pretty much open this and show you guys what you get, like all the emergency kits that comes in this package. Okay, so I have the package open, and this is all the stuff it comes with. So it comes with the jumper cables, the air compressor, so pretty much your tire inflator. It comes with the first aid kit. It comes with the tire plug repair kit. It comes with the safety hammer. It comes with that as well too. It comes with the gloves. It comes with the pencil tire gauge, so you can see the gauge of how much air you have in your tire to make sure where it's at. It comes with a flashlight. It comes with the reflective vest to pretty much, if your car is broken down, people on the highway can see on the road of where you're exactly located. So that's something very important. It's a huge plus that it comes with that. Then right here, we get a tow rope. So if your car breaks down, you can get the tow, pretty much the rope. And then from there, it's going to go pretty much, you can use that from with a truck, the tow hitch. And from there, it's going to go, you can carry it around with you with the vehicle. So that's one of the cool thing I like that it comes with. Take the paper out here. You can see it comes with all the necessary equipment and tools that you need to pretty much, if you're stuck on the roadside emergency assistance, this kit will definitely come in here. I love how it comes with this, the tire plunge kit. So if you get a flat tire on the road, this will definitely come in hand. It comes with all the necessary equipment that you need. It comes with a pair of gloves, so that way you don't get your hands pretty much stained or anything like that. That's one thing I love about it. Then right here we also get jumper cables. So these jumper cables come in hand if you're gonna go pretty much jump start your car. I love how it comes with these, and they look absolutely beautiful. Then we get the portable tire inflator. That's right over here. It comes, you connect it to the cigarette lighter, and then from there that you pretty much inflate your tires, which I love that it comes with that as well too. So it comes with a lot of necessary equipment you need if you by chance get stuck on the road or on the highway or on the streets or anywhere on the road that you need a hazard, pretty much emergency. This whole entire kit is, I would definitely recommend this kit. It comes with everything that's necessary that you need to protect yourself on the road, and to pretty much it's also, another thing I love about it is that it also comes with a first aid emergency kit, which I'll show you guys in this video. So this right here is the first aid kit, and it comes with the band-aid. It comes with all the stuff you need. It comes with the cottons. It comes with everything you need for your first aid kit in case if you get hurt or you're on the road, or if you get in a wreck or accident. This will definitely come in handy, the first aid kit. Overall, I love everything that this kit comes with. Any car person or any car enthusiast that is looking for a roadside assistance emergency kit tool to put in your trunk of your car, I would definitely recommend this product because it comes with everything you need. The portable tire inflator, the tire inflator to pretty much check your pressure of your car tire. It comes with that. It comes with the tow hitch as well too, right over there. It comes to pretty much tow your car as well too. A tire plunge kit as well too. It comes with everything you need to, if you get stuck on the road, this kit would definitely come in hand, and I would definitely highly recommend this product for any enthusiast or car person. This is something I would definitely recommend for everyone.